Stitch Fix Kids unboxing of the summer unbox for little girls.
Subscribe to our channel, make sure to hit that bell so we'll be notified any day we post a new video.
So I'm just now opening this. We just tried doing a video and it got cut off, so I apologize. These are all the items in the box. So it's $181. It's normally almost $300 if you want to keep this box. These are the shoes that she got.
So cute. It's just like mine.
And then she got all of these clothes that you saw in the thing. Sure.
Can I
If you decorate the box, it's a contest. You get entered for a prize. Go ahead. I'll pull them out. You just open it.
My,
Open the other one. Open the other one. Come on, girly. All right.
It's like a present, like you open it up.
That's the whole point, sister. Hold this right here. Just right there. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. So there is, oh, pants go with it. There's pants and a shirt. Oh, very cute. Very cute. Go with something in here. Hang on. Oh my goodness, unicorns. Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
How does kid fit know me?
Because it's a quiz, baby. And told him your style.
Okay.
You're supposed to be only getting the clothes, babe, not the house or mom. Silly. This goes with the shorts. See? The shorts are high-rise. They go up on your belly button. And then the shirt. There is this very cute shirt. This very cute shirt. This dress. These shorts. And these shorts. I knew you'd like these. Ooh, all name brand, all very nice. Shoes to match a unicorn outfit. Okay, sorry about that. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we will let you guys know how we like all these outfits and products. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.